Have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Okay?
You too.
Thank you.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to fit the. Thanks. There you go. Another one.
That's it.
One and a half.
Yeah.
Oh.
How is the rate right now for bike?
For bike, I
What do
mean,
you get in there? Like this one?
I'm not.
Yeah, it's
taking
low,
it.
eh?
Yeah, it's very low.
Yeah.
It's like from 11 to 1.
Oh, I started at 12:30.
12:30?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
12:30,
okay.
Yeah.
12:30 was very busy, and plus I'm doing multi-app, so sometimes I have to. I'm going to Doordash and see what's.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, you better look on that. Like sometimes you might get some really good orders on
Oh,
Doordash.
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll look into that. Yeah, somebody had told me about it as well. So, but yeah, because Uber, gives you a lot of orders.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes, yeah, the pay is low.
It's
right?
very low.
Yeah. So
Oh,
basically, then they're trying to, because right now, a perfect example, right? It's like they're making, Uber's always making more money, right? I'm sure, like I deliver right now, just before this one, so Starbucks, I delivered from Sukhothai, a big order, almost like about $70. Yeah, $70 the order.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
bet
yeah.
you they're getting good money, right?
Uh-huh.
Me, I only get $4.50. Yeah, man.
That's
they're ripping
ridiculous.
us
Yeah.
off. They're ripping us off, right? Which is not fair.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I see? Yeah.
Right.
Oh, that's what they're saying too. They've been saying, oh, because of the same reason, don't take second orders. Sometimes we pick one order, and then right away they know, right? Like the algorithm they have, Uber, they see, oh, another restaurant, they give you another order for like $2 or $3. They're ripping us off. You know what I mean,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So some of these guys they say, hey, we had to teach Uber, not to rip us off like this. Don't take second order. Don't take second orders.
Yeah.
So, but some people do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And some people just do, everything that comes to them. We cannot be working like slaves, right? Because that's how they keep.
Sometimes you're making.
What's the farthest that you would go?
Farthest, I only accept.
And for how much?
Well, I only accept like below 4 kilometers. Like I don't
Below
say,
4,
yeah.
and then for how much? Like average.
For
$7, $6.
7, yeah, I would say 7, 8. But yeah, 6. Sometimes you're like, you know what, you're getting $4, so you're like, it comes 6, and then you're like, oh, all right, I'm gonna take it. But yeah.
But for that, like 4 kilometers. Sometimes I see 4 kilometers. Sometimes I see with other people. It's like they only give you like $5.50 or $6, right? So you would so for 4 if it's 3.5, how much?
Doordash like 2 kilometers, you gave $9.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Yeah.
$9 for 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
And then same with Uber, 2 kilometers, like they charge you $3. So, sometimes they add up, right? So let's say you accept it, and then they like send you another order, and then it's like $2 for like 2 kilometers. Like
that's what I'm saying. Like, they give you like the second order for $2 or $2.50.
Yeah.
Oh, man, come on. I bet you on that second order, they're making like good money. They're making good money. Yeah,
that's
right?
why they're making the most.
Exactly. They they're smart. They're trying to outsmart us, right?
Yeah.
We had to try to. Yeah, that's why these guys they say, oh, don't take second order. But sometimes you already have the 2 orders from the same place, right?
Yeah.
So like that, and if it's good, like if it's $9, okay, you take it, right? But I mean, when it's like we already pick one order, and the second order they give you $2 extra or $2.50. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I get you.
I get that, man. And I'm like, no, man. You know what? In my mind, no. In my mind, no. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna give Uber pleasure to kill us like that. You know what? No, give it to somebody else and give the right pay. In my mind, that's what I'm thinking. No, because I don't want it. I cannot take it, right?
Yeah,
I don't want to take it, right? Because if I take it, I'm gonna just get a $2.50.
Yeah,
you can get some tips. We don't know.
Yeah.
Right? But I'm thinking in my mind, no, just don't take it and just give it to the next person, and hopefully that second person will get the right pay. Like sometimes I have made the mistake of they get to sometimes like I say like $7 or $8, and then I click quick, right? Because if you don't click quick, sometimes it gives you maybe like 15 seconds. I don't know. If you don't do it quick, right? Then you lose it, right? And then when I do it quick, and then when I see 2 orders, man, it's because maybe I didn't check properly, right? Yeah.
Same that happens to me with this one. I wouldn't accept it. But I'm like, oh, it's 2 orders.
Yeah.